Two managers, exact same title, totally different results. You've seen it, right? So what's the secret sauce here?
Well, one just bosses people around using formal authority. The other, they use real influence to inspire action.
So ask yourself, do you want to be feared or respected at work? Honestly, your answer changes everything.
It's crazy simple. A boss sits back and barks, "Go." But a true leader steps up and says, "Let's go."
Think about a cricket captain. We naturally follow the one actually out on the pitch, sharing the pressure.
See, fear just gets you quick obedience. But trust? Trust builds total loyalty and super honest communication.
Sure, people might respect your fancy new title on day one, but they only truly admire your actual character.
Pointing fingers just terrifies and isolates your team. Instead, focusing on solutions drives real growth and deep trust.
A boss basically just wants dependent followers. A leader's actual mission is to build future, independent leaders.
Watch this shift. Saying "I did this" instantly wrecks morale. Saying "we did this" creates absolute, fierce loyalty.
Bosses act like know-it-alls. Real leaders, they stay totally humble, keep learning, and adapt as the world changes. Take these two factory supervisors. Supervisor A just shouted constantly. Supervisor B actually listened and guided. The results?
After a year, the huge productivity gap wasn't about who was smarter. It all came down to pure leadership.
Gandhi moved millions without any formal authority. That completely proves leadership isn't about power. It's pure, undeniable influence.
After 27 years in prison, Mandela chose the incredibly powerful vision of forgiveness over the raw authority of revenge.
Dr. Kalam constantly credited his team. That profound humility made him one of India's most universally respected leaders.
Anyone can be handed a fancy title, but true leadership is actively choosing to take care of your people.
So, what's your legacy gonna be? Will they just obey your position or actually follow your character?